Welcome to our guide on time and date settings in your Seat Leon 4. The Seat Leon 4, introduced in 2020, features an advanced infotainment system that manages your car's time and date functions. This video will walk you through how to change these settings, either manually or automatically, to keep your vehicle's clock precise and up to date. We'll focus on the key features available in models through January 2026. First, start your vehicle. On the central touchscreen, locate and tap the Settings icon, usually a gear symbol. Next, navigate through the menu, System, then Date and Time. This will bring you to the time and date adjustment options. To manually set the time and date in your Seat Leon 4, start by accessing the Settings menu on the infotainment screen. From the Settings, select System, then Date and Time. Choose the manual option to input values directly. You can then directly input the correct date using DDMMYYY or MMDDYY format depending on your region and the time in 24-hour or 12-hour format. This example shows similar manual settings in a computer system where you can toggle off automatic modes and manually change the date and time. Remember to ensure the vehicle is stationary while making these manual adjustments for safety. Similar to how you might set time on a digital clock, manual input requires direct entry of the desired values. For automatic time and date synchronization, enable either GPS sync or network sync. GPS sync uses satellite data for precise time, while network sync relies on internet-based NTP servers. The system updates automatically based on your location. Network sync connects to NTP servers arranged in a hierarchical structure for reliable time updates. Consider using the digital cockpit, where voice commands can set the time hands-free. The Seat Leon 4 prioritizes GPS for accurate time synchronization, using satellite signals for precise timing. If GPS is unavailable, the system falls back to NTP servers for internet-based time updates. European Seat Leon 4 models typically default to 24-hour time format and DDMMYYY date format. Other regions may use different local standards for dates and times. Always verify that your regional settings match your location. If automatic time and date syncing fails, first check your GPS connection. The system relies on GPS for accurate timing, but weak signals in urban areas can cause issues. Next, verify your network connection. The infotainment system uses cellular networks as a backup for time synchronization. Poor coverage in rural areas can lead to failures. In areas with poor signal, such as urban canyons or rural zones, manual adjustments may be necessary. Access the Settings menu and input the time and date directly. SEAT releases quarterly OTA updates to fix bugs, including those related to time zone shifts like daylight saving time changes. Ensure your system is updated to avoid common issues. Future trends in the Seat Leon 4 point toward greater automation and connectivity. Expect increasing automation in upcoming models with systems that handle settings more independently. By 2027, 100% of Leon 4 models are expected to support over-the-air updates, reducing the need for manual adjustments and allowing wireless firmware updates for improved time synchronization. Integration with Internet of Things devices is on the horizon, potentially linking time settings to smart home ecosystems for seamless synchronization across devices. AI-driven settings will predict and adjust time and date based on user routines, such as work schedules or travel patterns, making the system more intuitive. Looking ahead to 2030, voice-activated and gesture-based controls will dominate, alongside blockchain-secured settings for enhanced privacy and security. Automotive experts recommend periodically verifying your time and date settings in the Seat Leon 4. This is especially important after long journeys or when crossing time zone changes. Always prioritize safety by making any adjustments only when the vehicle is completely stationary. For additional assistance, refer to your Seat Leon 4 manual or contact a certified dealer for professional support.